Welcome to class, students. Today, we'll be looking at a vital topic titled Immigration Law. Nigeria's immigration system operates under a comprehensive legal structure centered on the Immigration Act of 2015. This primary legislation works alongside the immigration regulations of 2017 and the new visa policy introduced in 2020 to control and regulate the movement of people into and out of the country. Regulatory structure. The Nigerian Immigration Service serves as a central enforcement agency for these immigration laws. Originally established in 1963, the Nigerian Immigration Service underwent significant restructuring when the Immigration Act 2015 replaced the earlier legislation enhancing the agency capacity to address migrant smuggling and other border security challenges. As a paramilitary organization under the Federal Ministry of Interior, the NIS forms an integral part of Nigeria's national security framework. Core components of immigration system: we have visa administration, CAPAC requirements, border control operation, legal authority and enforcement. Visa administration: the NIS Nigeria Immigration System manages a diverse range of visa categories encompassing both temporary and permanent residence options, each with distinct eligibility criteria and validity periods. CAPAC requirements: foreign nationals planning to stay and work in Nigeria beyond 56 days must obtain the comprehensive expatriate residence permit and automated card, which serve as a mandatory residence document. Border control operations: immigration officials conduct thorough examination of all individuals crossing Nigerian borders, bearing compliance with applicable laws and regulations while processing entry and exit procedures. Legal authority and enforcement: immigration officers possess broad enforcement powers, including the authority to deny entry when circumstances warrant and to conduct inspections abroad visas and aircraft to ensure regulatory compliance. Recent policy evaluation: the new visa policy represents a strategic shift towards attracting foreign investment and skilled professionals to support Nigeria economic development. Additionally, updated immigration regulation are set to be implemented beginning May 1st, 2025, as reported by PwC. Overall objective: Nigerian immigration law establishes a balanced regulatory approach that protects national security interests while facilitating legitimate economic activity and maintaining Nigerian international relationships and obligations. Nigerian Immigration Service historical development. The Nigerian Immigration Service (NIS) has evolved significantly since its inspection as the Immigration Department in August 1958, when it was separated from Nigeria Police. The department gained formal statutory recognition through an Act of Parliament on August 1st, 1963, during Alhaji Shehu Shagari's tenure as Minister of Internal Affairs. The Foundational Immigration Act of 1963 has undergone substantial revision with notable amendments in 2014 and a comprehensive overhaul that produced the current Immigration Act of 2015. Throughout its existence, the NHIS has continuously modernized to address contemporary migration challenges and align with international, regional and sub-regional political framework. Technological advancement: the service has embraced digital transformation through several key initiatives: implementation of machine-readable electronic passport in 2007, also have development of digital platform including the official website and service portal, launch of global passport services supporting the federal government citizenship diplomacy policy, government establishment of forensic laboratory capabilities for document and monetary instrument verification, introduction of combined expatriate residence permit and alliance card system. Core responsibility: under Section 2 of Immigration Act 2015, the NIS manages entry and exit control for all individuals crossing Nigeria borders. Travel document insurance, particularly Nigerian passport for citizens domestically and internationally, foreign national residence permit processing, border surveillance and patrol operations, law enforcement within their jurisdictional mandate, paramilitary operations as required by statutory authority. Organizational framework: the NIS operates through a structured hierarchy comprising 8 specialized directorates. We have the human resource management, finance and account, planning, research and statistics, passport and other travel documents, investigation and compliance, border management, migration, visa and residency. Human resource management, finance and account, planning and research and statistics, passport and other travel documents, investigation and compliance, border management, migration, visa and residency. Workforce and infrastructure: the organisation employs 25,303 personnel across various ranks, from assistant to controller cadre, and all specialised in migration and border management operations, command and control operations. The NIS headquarters in Suka, Abuja, features a state-of-the-art technology building commissioned by President Muhammadu Buhari in March 2021. Dis 3,600 square meter facility serve as the service operational nerve center across advanced systems including e-border management, passport management and advanced passengers information system. The facility enables comprehensive air, marine and land border surveillance while maintaining connectivity with international security database including Interpol and ICAO PKI platform. Data management: the Tier 1 data center with 1.4 petabyte capacity operates within the headquarters complex, maintaining a critical national information system including citizen biometric data, governance and training. The Civil Defence Correctional Fire: the Civil Defence Correctional Fire and Immigration Service Board oversees NIS operation alongside sister paramilitary agencies. Personnel training occurs at dedicated facility in Kano State. Legal framework: current operations are governed by comprehensive legislation including Immigration Act 2015, Immigration Regulation 2017, Immigration Manual 2019, Standard Operation Procedure for Combating Smuggling for Migrants 2019 and the Nigerian Visa Policy 2020. List of leadership: we have E.H. Harrison S. Squirrel, Chief Fundamental Immigration Officer from 1962 to 1966. We have J. Onuga, that is Chief Migration Officer from 1966 to 1967. Alayediona is a Chief Federal Immigration Officer from 1967 to 1967. Also have Alhaji Aliyu Mohammed, was Director of Immigration from 1977 to 1971. We have Alhaji Lawal Sambo, Immigration Officer, Director of Immigration from 1979 to 1985. Mohammed Damulak, the Director of Immigration 1985 to 1990. Alhaji Gamba Abbas, last Director of Immigration, first Controller General Immigration Service (CGIS) from 1990 to 1995. Was Alhaji Sham Abi from 1995 to 1998. He was a controller Nigerian Immigration Service. We have the Alhaji UK Acting Comptroller General Immigration Service 1999 to 2000. We also have Lady UC Imuzu was also a controller general immigration 2000 to 2004. So we also have the rest. Kemi Nandap. He was also a controller general immigration service from 2000 and from February 21st. Thank you for listening.